Hey everybody, Robert Dunt, ArtTop10.com. This is the second part of a trip around Hamburg Art Gallery, one of the largest art galleries in Germany, or Hamburg Kunsthalle. I didn't realise I'd be able to film in all these German galleries, so the GoPro ran out, the phone was about to run out, so it's a bit of a quick whip round. But I just think you've got so many absolutely fantastic picks in here. It's nice to see them, if only briefly. You know, it's Monet, Bonnard, Manet, Cezanne, Courbet, Corot, Rodin, Lovis Corinth, all sorts of stuff. Degas. Anyway, it's so much fun. Just have a quick look and, you know, enjoy. Lovely Monet, lovely Cezanne over there. All this cracking stuff. Lovis Corinth. What a superb rim of stuff, man. A quick squeeze around so you get a vibe. Lovis Corinth again. Oops. Ivor Hauptmann, I don't know as much. Oh, Bonnard, that's a weird Bonnard. Kind of a weird Bonnard, that one. See-through, almost looks unfinished. Max Liebermann, another Bonnard. Another weird Bonnard. You got more of a classic Bonnard violet there. Lloyd Regner Duxen and Max Liebermann. So much here, just going to whip around, get you a vibe. Max Liebermann room. Yeah, everything in here is a Max Liebermann.
The net menders.
Oh, the net menders. Quite intriguing. That must be, I would guess, that one of his early ones. I guess sort of seriousness of how you would work the land. More Max Liebermanns as we go around. All these other ones left and right seem to be people end up in that picture in the centre there. Yeah, so you can see them all. I like that one over there though. Super quick whip around these rooms. Both the phone and the GoPro running out of batteries. Lovis Corinth, interesting. Degas here. Look at these, both Degas. Weird Bonnard. That Bonnard actually looks more like a William Coldstream than a Bonnard.
It's a portrait of someone else.
That's interesting. Max Liebermann. Wait a second, I'm totally confused. Are these painted by these guys or are these paintings of them?
I think they're by them. I like
So this is by Vuillard, it's not. Or is this of Vuillard?
I agree, I don't know.
I'm absolutely mystified now.
No, it's a portrait of Senator Heinrich Russia, but it's painted by...
Oh, portrait, yeah. So this is by Vuillard. Yeah, nice.
So it's by these, but they're not self-portraits.
Yeah, no, I was getting a bit blown away. Yeah, so that is Max Liebermann. That is a painting by Bonnard of Professor something or other. And these are portraits painted by Degas. Lovis Corinth. Just another quick zip around this room. Look, there's a Monet over here. That's kind of a weird Monet as well, don't you? Oh, this Renoir's more Renoir-y though. Oh, there's a Manet. Look at the Manet. Nice Manet. The Renoir's good. Look at that. The face is really good on that. Really good. A few megas in here, like this Manet. Look at that, Nana. That's one of those mega paintings. Really good painting, that. Weirdly memorable, both for the image and the way it's painted. Actually, look at that, it just makes you want to go painting again. It's actually nice to see an actual painting. Nice little Rodin. They're always good, aren't they, man? Look at it. The hands are just brilliant. Massive hands, man. That body. Look at it. Stunning, aren't they? Oh, you got a tiger man over here. Delacroix. Yeah. Look at him. He's lovely, man.
And look, it's the snake.
Oh, the snake is brilliant. Snake is brilliant.
It's too good.
Tiger in the jungle, that one's got you.
Get me into
That's the best one. But look, have you seen this one with the massive walrus? The walrus pet. I love this Corot. Look at the walrus, man.
What is the title of it? Oh, the
Man with a giant walrus.
Oh, weird. Who did that?
I have no idea what it's called. It appears to be in a zoo. It is. Oh, it's Carl Hagenbach in his zoo. And this is another Manet. This must be Hamlet, is that? Yeah. Look at that. Intriguing. Look at that. Is that how he started these pictures? Fascinating. Absolutely brilliant room here for a moment. Gustave Courbet, Daubigny, but mainly you got this fantastic Corot here. Look at that. Cracking stuff, isn't it? Tonalities and the rest of it. And this Corot is actually even better. I've never seen that one. The Monk. Look at that, the beautiful sort of raw and burnt umbers all around in the back of it. Look, you can actually see the paint. That's what I love about it, that painting. You can see the paint. How it was painted, you want to be part of it. Look at this amazing little Corot here as well. Wow, look at that one. That is like a sort of, I mean, he is a pre-impressionist, but it's just such a cool painting. And this is another Corot, must be much earlier, that one. Caspar David Friedrich room, here we are. Got loads of these. So it's all Caspar David Friedrich in here. Oh, that weird one. Oh, that actually finished. Oh, weird one, doesn't look finished. One around here. Oh, that's a weird dark one, man. Quite strange. That one looks weirdly like a sort of English town. And that's one of his mega famous ones there. Everybody's trying to take photos of it. This is the mega famous one. Wander über dem Nebel, Wander above the sea of fog. Good title as well. So strange, so different, these smaller ones. Oh wow, look at that, that is amazing. Oh, really good. Just love how everybody comes up and takes a photo of this guy standing on this cliff top, looking into his clouds. Very cool. Huh?
Heathcliff.
Heathcliff, yeah, it is Heathcliff, man, isn't it? It is Heathcliff. You can't actually stop it. Let everybody on and on just taking photos of themselves by this picture. Extraordinary, don't you think? Every person who comes in takes a photo of themselves with it. And then this obviously is another one of the famous ones over here. Look at that. Fantastic painting. Sorry for galloping around this bit, I messed up the volume. Sound rather. Quite, didn't think you'd actually get to film in the gallery, so it's all gone a bit chaos today. Look at that one. Nice. Look at these, good stuff. Oh wow, look at that crazy dark one. More fascinating little paintings. Just have a little whip past these ones, just to give you a vibe, as there's just too much to focus on. Oh, this is another one by Pighine. That's a weird picture. Pan and Nymph. Weird one. Place just goes on with more and more pictures. This is one really weird painting. Carl Gustav Garus. Look at that, absolutely mental. Sort of look a little sort of weird sort of thing. Almost like a sort of, I don't know what to call it. It's not like a prairie with a harp and a mountain. Sane sea storm. These two discussing whether the ship is being ransacked or saved. Who's that by? Oh, an intriguing little family with 2 rabbits in this area. More bizarre paintings. Interesting. Amazing little sketches in here. I think this is meant to be like an oil sketch section, but it's actually rather cool. I love a bit of oil sketches, although some of these look far worked up. That could almost be a sketch. But most of them are hard to say with pure sketch. Oil sketches in Italy too. And we've got loads more little sketches here. Hamburger school, presumably where they don't teach you how to make hamburgers. know it's a super fast whiz round, it's just to give you a vibe of the thing. As both the GoPro and the phone are running out of battery. Let's keep going on to the, what are you into now? Southern German and Austrian perspectives. We've got some of those. Actually quite interesting, you spend hours here looking at these things. Romanticism and realism in France. Delacroix, man, check it out. Oh, that's quite famous, Delacroix. I'm sure I've seen that one before, look at that. Oh, come on, focus. Fantastic, look at it. A lion, an alligator. Fantastic. Oh, Daumier, look at that. I didn't realise Daumier had these kind of slightly unfilled and finished faces.